We begin our walk at the restaurant entrance of Metropolis Mall Larnaca, where food, light, and movement immediately set the tone. This entrance feels welcoming and social, a place designed not just for shopping, but for gathering. The smell of fresh coffee, baked goods, and international cuisine fills the air as people arrive to meet friends, enjoy a meal, or simply take a break from the heat. Metropolis Mall is the largest shopping mall in the Larnaca district, and one of the most modern retail spaces in Cyprus, opened to serve both locals and visitors. It represents a new chapter in how the city experiences leisure, shopping, and everyday life. The restaurant area is where the mall truly comes alive. Families, couples, and groups of friends sit together, talking, laughing, and sharing meals. You'll notice the variety, international brands alongside local favorites. This reflects modern Cyprus, deeply local, yet globally connected. Large windows allow natural light to pour in, creating an open and relaxed atmosphere. Unlike older malls, this space feels breathable, designed for lingering rather than rushing. Here, the mall feels less like a shopping center and more like a community space. As we move away from the restaurants, the soundscape subtly changes. Conversations soften, footsteps echo gently, and the mall opens into wide retail corridors. The design here is clean and modern, high ceilings, neutral tones, and polished floors that reflect the light above. Everything feels intentionally spaced, avoiding the cramped feeling of traditional indoor shopping areas. Metropolis Mall was clearly built with comfort in mind. This section of the mall is dominated by fashion and lifestyle stores. Well-known international brands sit alongside regional favorites, offering everything from casual wear to formal fashion. Shoppers move slowly, browsing displays, comparing styles, and stopping at mirrors. Even for those not shopping, it's a visually engaging space, colors, textures, and motion everywhere. This area shows how Larnaca has evolved into a city that blends relaxed coastal living with modern urban style. As we reach the central section, the mall feels more expansive. Multiple levels become visible, connected by escalators and open sightlines. This is the architectural heart of Metropolis, a space designed to impress without overwhelming. Natural light filters down from above, softening the modern materials and creating a sense of openness. People pause here, orienting themselves, meeting friends, or simply watching the flow of life around them. Modern malls are no longer just about purchasing items, they're about experience. Metropolis reflects this shift perfectly. Seating areas invite rest. Wide walkways encourage slow exploration rather than hurried movement. You'll notice people of all ages here, teenagers, families, retirees, each using the space differently. Some are shopping with purpose, others simply passing time. It's a place where daily routines meet leisure. Beyond retail, Metropolis Mall offers entertainment and lifestyle spaces that keep visitors here longer. Whether it's a coffee break, casual dining, or browsing without intention, the mall adapts to the pace of its visitors. This flexibility is what makes it successful. It doesn't demand attention. It invites it. The mall mirrors modern Cypriot life, relaxed, social, and unhurried. For Larnaca, Metropolis Mall represents more than shopping. It's a symbol of growth and modernization. Once known mainly for its seafront and airport, Larnaca now has a contemporary retail and social hub that reflects its expanding identity. The mall connects locals, tourists, and communities, especially during weekends and evenings when it becomes a meeting point rather than a destination. As our walk continues, the pace naturally slows. The initial energy of the restaurant entrance gives way to calm familiarity. This is the rhythm of Metropolis Mall, active yet comfortable, modern yet approachable. Even without buying anything, time spent here feels purposeful. As we bring this walk to an end, Metropolis Mall Larnaca reveals itself not just as a shopping destination, but as a modern social space. From the lively restaurant entrance to the wide retail corridors and open central areas, it reflects how public spaces are evolving in Cyprus. Thank you for joining this walking tour of Metropolis Mall Larnaca. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, goodbye from the heart of modern Larnaca.